2,000 fence posts, 900 acres, 48 bales, 1 trophy. All before lunch, which we caught last Saturday. There aren't enough hours in the day, so we work in the dark. The 9 to 5 here is 5 to 9. We earn our scars. We wear our work ethic. Whatever it takes, we'll give. In order to stop and smell the roses, someone has to plant them. We work until the work's done. When it is, there's a family to raise, a neighbor to check on, a country to feed. A few hours of shut-eye to rest up for tomorrow. The day will finally get something done.